How to send money using First Horizon Zelle. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to send money quickly and securely using Zelle with First Horizon Bank. First, you can open up First Horizon mobile app or log into online banking. Once you are in, you can just go to the menu option and then select the option to send money with Zelle. From there, you can choose the recipient. You can either pick someone from your contacts or enter their email address or US mobile number. Remember, they'll need to be enrolled with Zelle to receive the money. Now enter the amount you want to send and add a note if you'd like. And once you've done that, you could just go ahead and review the details carefully. Once everything looks good, tap on send and the money will usually be delivered within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled. If not, they'll get instructions on how to sign up and claim the money, and that's it. Sending money with First Horizon Zelle is fast, safe, and convenient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.